Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the pending delivery confirmation issue on DHgate. Make sure that you're logged into your account and go to your profile here and click orders. In this left section, you will see your orders here. Click it. Here I don't have any orders yet, so I'll just show you a sample and the process on how to fix it. Step 1, check your tracking number and go to Orders. Next is manually confirm you received your item. On your order page, you should see a button that says Confirm Delivery. Click it and the status will update. If you don't see the button or if it's grayed out, don't worry, just contact the DHgate support. Click this customer service. From here, scroll it down and click this online service. Here are the different options on how to message or contact the DHgate support. Once you choose one, tell them your order was delivered, but it's stuck on pending delivery confirmation. They'll fix it manually within 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes DHgate updates the status automatically after a few days, even if you don't click anything. So if you're close to the delivery deadline, just hang tight. And that's it. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave that comment if you have any more questions. Thank you for watching.